my dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late, my dear friend? We felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now
Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an amazing day. I just got off of work right now. I wanted to do a video of waxing. I wanted to wax my legs because it's been way past due. When I get home, I will show you the wax that I am going to use today. Sorry, I'm not looking directly in the camera, but I'm driving. The wax that I normally buy is the wax beans, and I have the wax warmer at home. But when I went to go buy it, they were completely out of stock. So yeah, I'm going to use it's the microwavable wax. I purchased everything at Sally's Beauty Supply. I think it's been about 3 months since I waxed my legs. Like my legs, they have my hairs are long. So, but the only reason why I started waxing is because every time I shave, I'm itchy. So I know that since it's been about 2.5 to 3 months since I have waxed my legs, I know that my legs are gonna get red and they're gonna be full of bumps, but it's okay. I have all the stuff that I need at home, so I will see you when I get home. Okay, we are at home now. We are going to use this Gigi's all-purpose honey. This is the one that you just microwave. Start off at 5 minutes, and then as the time goes, I stop it at every minute, and then if it's ready, then take it upstairs and get everything else ready. So time that you do wax your legs, it is going to be painful. It doesn't matter if you do it yourself or if you go to the salon, it'll be painful. So prepare yourself for that. But after the first time, like once the hair starts growing back, you'll notice that your hair is a lot thinner than what it was. I noticed that whenever I would shave my legs, when my hair would grow back. Give me 1 minute. Look, you see how this is, like it's already dripping, like that's how you want it. So let's take it upstairs. I will see you when I get back up to my room. I'm going to show you what you are going to need. It's really not that many things. So you will need the Gigi all-purpose honey, and then you will need the post-wax cooling gel. I got these sticks, these crafting sticks. I got them at Walmart. You can get them. I got the skinny ones, and I got the bigger ones. These, I believe they were like $1 for a pack, and then I got the waxing strips. Show you my legs. Like my legs, like the hair is long. You'll see the difference after the waxing is complete. So this is what my leg looks like. I know that you can barely see the hair, but the hair is there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the wax and just put it on my leg. You want to put the wax the same direction as your hair growth. You don't want to put it the opposite direction, because either it's going to not pull anything off, or it's going to pull some of the hair off, but it's going to leave a lot of wax on your leg. So here I'm just smoothing out the wax, and then I'm going to put the strip on. Place the strip and just rub it down a couple of times, and then hold the skin down and you just rip it off. And that's all the hair that came on the strip. And then you can use a strip again to remove the remaining of the wax that's on your leg. As you can see that there's still a little bit of wax on my leg. And then just pull it off. And then we are just going to do it again. We just grab the wax and then just place it on the leg, smoothing it out the same direction that your hair is growing. Here I am going up and down, but I'm also smoothing the wax to go back down the same direction, as you can see, as I just did. You don't want the wax to be too thick, because like I said, it will not pick up anything as much, or it'll leave a lot of wax. Pull it off, and there it goes. And then just keep repeating the process. And here I'm just putting on the Gigi post wax cooling gel, rubbing it on my leg, getting rid of the rest of the wax that's on there. Okay, so I want to show you my other leg so you can see the before and after. Right leg, it has, you know, all the hair. This is the right one. Now this is the left one. See, and over here is where I haven't finished. I thought I was recording, but unfortunately I wasn't. So I want to show you the after. Oops. I want to show you after. So is what they look like. They're all done. This is just a scratch that I have on my leg, but that's what my legs look like after.
I heard you said you feel lonely.